Okay, I want to explain about series circuits and their characteristics or rules. A series circuit is when we have elements in a circuit and only have one path for current. If I had equal value resistors, I could just add these resistors up to come up with a total resistance. So in this case, I would have 40 plus 40 plus 40 for a total of 120 ohms. I was given 120 volts as my power supply. So I know that I can calculate I. Using Ohm's law, I know that I equals E divided by R, 120 divided by 120. I have 1 amp in this circuit. That 1 amp comes into the resistor, out of the resistor, into the next resistor, and so on through the circuit. And I know that the 1 amp that leaves the power supply, I have 1 amp coming back to the power supply, 1 amp in every part of the circuit. Now that I have two parts of Ohm's law at every component, I can calculate voltage drop for those individual parts. So here I know that E equals I times R, 40 times 1, I have 40 volts dropping here, 40 volts here, and 40 volts here. So I can say that the sum of the voltage drops must equal the supplied voltage. So here I have 40 plus 40 plus 40 volts equals the 120 volts that was applied. So mathematically, I can express that the total voltage is going to equal the voltage drop at the first resistor plus the voltage drop at the second resistor plus the voltage drop at the third resistor plus the voltage drop at however many number of elements that might be in that circuit. I can say that the current total is the current at I1, is the current at I2, is the current at I3, and however many elements are in that circuit. The resistance is the sum of the resistors, R1, 2, and 3, plus however many number of resistors are in that circuit.